In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline in Google Docs. Outlining is an incredibly useful feature that can enhance your document's organization and make it easier for you to navigate through different sections of your work. So let's dive right in and go step by step through the process of setting it up. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Doc open and ready. Once you've got your document open, go ahead and click on the View option in the menu at the top of your screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What you'll want to do here is click on Show Document Outline. Instantly, you'll notice a sidebar pops up on the left side of your screen. This is your outline view, and it offers a fantastic way to see an overview of the structure of your document. Now let's talk about how to populate this outline with content using headings. Headings are key here because they act as the anchor points in your document outline. To add a heading, look for the Styles drop-down menu at the top of your Google Docs interface. It might currently say Normal Text or display the style of the current text. Click on it and you'll see a list of formatting options including different heading styles. Select the one that best fits your needs. For instance, Heading 1 might apply well to major section titles, while Heading 2 could work for subsections. When you apply a heading style to a line of text, you'll notice that it automatically appears in the document outline on the left side. This feature makes it really easy to jump to specific parts of your document without scrolling endlessly. You can hide the outline at any point if it's taking up too much space or becoming a distraction. Simply click on the 3 vertical dots at the top of the document outline sidebar and select Hide Document Outline. If you need to see it again later, just reverse the process by clicking Show Document Outline. Now, in case you want to remove a specific item from the outline, you can do that as well. Navigate to the outline and find the heading you want to remove. Just click on the little X that appears beside it, and you'll see it vanish from the sidebar, though it remains in your document as text. Lastly, if a heading isn't showing correctly in the outline, you can easily add it manually. Simply highlight or click on the heading in your document, right-click it, and then choose Add to Document Outline. And that's all there is to it. Once you have all your important sections laid out in the sidebar, you're ready to work more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. See you next time.